Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade, and if you're new or just stopping by, I'm a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So here, we're stopping at Kroger, and I'm gonna grab a vegan fish for a vegan fish taco to show you that it's quite simple to eat on a budget under $20. So here we have the Gardein fishless fillets. They are non-GMO. As you can see, they're only $4.49. And actually everything only totaled up to $16.42 if you take away the bananas. So all the ingredients are going to be coleslaw, the fishless fillets, cilantro, avocado. You're going to use jalapeno juice, vegan mayo, some flour tortillas, and spices. So you're going to place the fishless fillets in an air fryer for 12 to 14 minutes on 400. So a quick disclaimer, for some reason, I thought I was recording when I made the actual sauce. Unfortunately, I was not. So you're going to see the sauce that I made, and I'm going to show you each item and how much I used. So you're going to use 2 teaspoons of vegan mayo, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of jalapeno juice, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dill weed, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Make sure to flip your fishless fillets halfway to make sure they're cooked evenly on both sides. And it should look like this. And your meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye. Oh, and let me know what you think.